In the world of digital energy trading, did you know that some networks use blockchain to let your fridge trade energy? Imagine your fridge negotiating power deals while you sleep. This quirky system ensures that your appliances only use energy when it's cheapest, saving you money and reducing waste. It's like having a tiny economist in your kitchen. This innovation not only optimizes energy consumption, but also empowers consumers to be part of a smarter grid. So next time you open your fridge, remember it's not just cooling your food, it's making deals.